Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to tell you the difference between by and via. Well, they are literally the same, but via is a Latin word. So as you notice in the English language, there are thousands of Latin words in the English language. Therefore, you can use by and via interchangeably. So for example, you can say send me a message by Facebook, which means just use Facebook to send me a message. Or you can say send me a message via Facebook. Or you can say he found my house by looking at the map. Or you can say he found my house via the map. Alright, so I hope you have got an idea about this, and please watch my next video for more information. Thank you everyone.